What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Like Smith channel. I forgot to film a intro this morning. So in today's video, we're going to be getting our tires mounted on the truck. We got them from Bad Habits Automotive in Jolton, Tennessee, which is right outside of Nashville. So a huge shout out to Dallas and everybody at Bad Habits Automotive. And then we took the tires. Huge shout out to my friend Anthony as well. He was actually in Nashville yesterday and he ended up picking up the tires for me. So we was on FaceTime whenever he was at Bad Habits picking them up. And he got them off of Dallas at Bad Habits and then brought them to me. And then we loaded them up in Devin's truck today and took them to Reds 25 and had them mounted. So let's get into this video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Comment down below what y'all think about these rubber bands on here. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's get into it.
Perfect.
Shout out Ritz. And shout out Bad Habits Automotive for the tires. You know, we got to keep them safe, so we're going to be riding in the truck all the way home, which isn't really super far away, so should be good to go. As long as this tailgate doesn't dump me out. What? Yeah, yo. Oh God, they're moving! Dang it, I really wanted to stop at that red light. All right, so we finally got stopped at a red light. It's cold outside, okay? Okay. Learn how to drive, Devin. And just like that, guys, we're back at the shop. We got the tires mounted on the wheels. So again, huge shout out. There are 3 companies that made this happen. So we've got JTX Forge, Badass Wheels, Then we've got Bad Habits Automotive / DBA Lighting. They're both sponsors of the channel here on YouTube. So y'all go give them a follow on Instagram. We're going to be popping up all their stuff right now. And then here locally where I live, Reds 25, got these things mounted up. I actually didn't balance them because I don't like the look of wheel weights, and my Furies weren't balanced on my KG1s and my Furies weren't balanced on my Forces. And I never had any like weird wobbles or shimmies or shakes or anything. But from where they were so big, you know, being a 40, that's probably why I didn't have to balance them. A lot of the times, whenever you try to balance like a big tire like that, you're kind of chasing your tail. Or you can run like the semi beads or like sandbags, stuff like that. So I'm actually going to put these on the truck and drive it before I fully balance them because I like the look of no weights on the back. And yeah, so I just got these mounted today. So the tires are mounted, they are not balanced. We're going to run them and see how they ride, see how they drive, all of that stuff after we get the truck back together. But guys, oh my gosh, look at these things. So this is a 35-1550 VENOM Power RT. This is the RT tread pattern, not the XT tread pattern. So we're going to figure out if these tires are worth the money and if they're good tires. Heard a lot of good things about the RT. They're kind of a little bit newer. You hear some negative things about the XT. Any cheap tire, you're going to hear some bad things about, no matter which one it is. But you all will get to see these tires get daily driven firsthand, and I'll obviously tell you all my experiences with them after we get some miles on them or whatnot. But look at those JTX forged wheels. Oh my gosh, those look so good. So yeah, this is just a little update on the truck. We've got the tailgate right here. Got it all smoothed down pretty much. I've still got to do some body work on that, and then we'll be doing a video. I do have a full video on smoothing the gate right there. I just got rid of that Ford emblem in the middle, and it's going to be repainted. Tailgate handle will be painted, all that stuff. So it'll still say Super Duty, still have that line, and it'll still have a tailgate handle. It just won't have the recessed Ford emblem right there in the middle. So I have a full YouTube video on that coming soon. I've got my 1,000-piece Starlight headliner kit that I wrapped in suede first and then done a 1,000-piece. Done two 500-piece Starlight kits so we can run two separate colors at one time. It is so cool, and I hadn't seen anybody do that yet. So we've got that video coming very, very soon. We've still got to put it back in the truck. It's actually in my living room right now, and that video is pretty much filmed and in everything. So I just have to actually install the headliner in there, film some for that on how to install it and all of that. And then that video will be finished. I can edit it and upload it for you guys. But I just want to say a huge shout out to each and every one of y'all. By the time I upload this video, we'll either be at 12K subscribers or getting very, very close to 12K subscribers. The lift kit is supposed to ship from PMF today, actually. So, yeah. Hopefully in some of the next videos, we'll be getting the lift kit in, getting that off to Powder at Single Shot Powder Co., another sponsor here on the YouTube channel. And yeah, that's pretty much all for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all maybe wanted to see some of these 35-1550s mounted on a 26x16. They are rubber bands, but I'll tell you, in person, they're actually a little bit thicker than I thought that they'd be. So if you were kind of deciding between the 35-1550 and the 37-1550 that they make in the RT, I am super, super happy with this 1550, like the look of it. Of course, ride quality and all that stuff, we won't find out until we actually get to drive the truck. So with that being said, guys, thank you all for watching the video. Always remember, everybody starts as nobody, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Don't forget, link in the description box down below to pick you up some merch and stickers. I got stickers and merch on the site now, so www.justnocksmith.com. So go check it out, do a little bit of shopping, and support the YouTube channel, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.